Hi everybody, it's Carol with Refunction Crafts, and this is my giveaway video. I did already tape this video, but somehow or other it didn't come out, and the video was I guess it was corrupted or something. I don't know what happened to it, but my camera didn't record it right. It recorded it as some other type of video. And so now I'm hoping that this video is going to come out. But I had already done my YouTube comment picker part of the video and picked the winners for these items. Now, originally, this was the item that we were going to give away. This is the fairy butterfly, and this is the one that I showed you in the Dollar Tree sunglass cases. So this is the one that I had determined was going to be my giveaway piece, and this is the fairy butterfly. And so I have already picked the winners, and thankfully I did screenshots on both of those winners, so we are good to go. You guys just won't see the process of going through YouTube Picker, and I would do it over again. However, it costs me every time I choose a winner for a video. If I do use YouTube Picker, they charge me a fee. So I decided that I'm not going to pay for another round of winners extra just because of that, because I did do screenshots. So this is one of my winners. And then I decided, because I'm so late in getting this done, I decided I wanted to have two winners for this giveaway. So this is what the other winner is going to get. So this is one of my dancing butterflies, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. She came out really beautiful. I did do a video on how I made these butterflies. This one was not one that I did in the video. I did this after my video was done. So this is just a beautiful, beautiful dancing butterfly. She's got a ballerina in the middle here. So I just thought this one was really gorgeous. It's really different than the other ones, and so I decided I would do this as my giveaway. So I am going to announce the two winners that I drew for these two items. So my first winner, I'm giving away this one first. So my first winner, this is for the dancing butterfly. So my first winner is Deanna Grooms. And so you can see there where it chose the winner. Whoops. And here I took a screenshot, and since I, had already picked this one, I went in and I used the same video, the same comments, and I picked my second winner. And my second winner is Kat P1Q. So I will hope that Kat will PM me on Messenger, and you can PM me at Refunction Crafts in Messenger and send me your address. Confirm that you saw this video and send me your address, and I will send you your prize, which is the fairy butterfly. So those are my two winners, you guys, and I want to say congratulations to both Deanna and to Kat. And I thank all of you for playing and for your comments and all of that great stuff. We'll be doing some more giveaways in the near future. So I just want to say thanks to everybody, and congratulations, Deanna and Kat. And that is it for this video, you guys. Shortest video ever. And I just want to say thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for my other video that will be out today. Let's see. So that'll be 2 videos today and 1 video on Sunday. So we'll have 3 videos this weekend. Although this one is not a crafting video. So thanks a lot, you guys. Have a great, great, great day. God bless each and every one of you. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.